Topic of discussion is the derivation of the equation for variation of g because of depth below the surface of the earth. Now try to understand this figure. When we are talking about the depth, then the depth is d. D is the depth. Okay, this much is the depth. Okay, so this distance, try to understand this distance will be how much? As you know, the radius of the earth is RE and the depth is D. So that distance which I have shown, this distance will be RE minus D. Okay. So the object is here at point P, whose mass is m, which is at distance RE minus D. Now this much part will exert the force on the object of mass m. The outer shell is not considered when we talk about the force acting on this mass of m, because the downward material which is below the object is going to exert the force on it. Okay. Another thing, that the distance is RE minus D from the center of the earth, okay, that of the object. This distance is RE minus D. Now the mass of this small sphere which is inside, we shall denote by mr, and total mass of the whole surface, whole earth is denoted by me, that is total mass of the earth, and the density of the earth is taken as rho. Now as you know that mass is equal to density multiplied by volume. So mass of earth, try to understand, is volume, that is 4 by 3 pi Re cube multiplied by the density, that is rho. So 4 by 3 pi Re cube will be the mass, total mass of the earth. Okay. Now this distance small r, which is denoted here, is r is equal to Re minus D. And if you want to find the mass of this small sphere, that is mr, then that mass will be 4 by 3 pi small r cube, okay, into rho. Now instead of this small r cube, you can write Re minus D the whole cube. So mass of that small sphere can be mr is equal to 4 by 3 pi Re minus D the whole cube multiplied by rho. Okay, so this is the basic understanding which is required for this particular topic. Okay, that is whole explained here. Okay, that mass of that small sphere which I have shown as mr, but it is denoted here as ms, which is 4 by 3 pi Re minus D the whole cube into rho. Okay, and mass of the earth is 4 by 3 pi Re cube into rho. Now just the ratio is taken, that of ms to me. So whatever is the common, 4 by 3 pi will be cancelled out. Okay, so you will have ms upon me it is. So ms upon me will give you Re minus D whole cube upon Re cube. This rho will also be cancelled out. Okay, so it is written here Re minus D the whole cube upon Re cube. Okay, now gravitational force, if you want to find, that force is Gm1 m2 upon distance square. So mass which is kept here is small m. So the force at depth d on the object of mass m is G, then mass which is below, that is ms m upon the square of distance. The distance is small r, and small r is nothing but Re minus D. So here it becomes Re minus D, the whole square. Okay, so that step is written here. Okay, fourth equation, force at depth d is gmsm upon re minus d the whole square. Okay, so it is shown here as fourth equation. Now putting the value of ms from this equation, in this equation if you make ms as subject of formula, then it becomes as such, ms as a subject of formula, then ms is equal to re minus d the whole cube divided by re cube multiply by me. This me will be in multiplication here. So instead of this ms, we are placing this whole value here in this fourth equation. So whichever other terms, that is g, then we have m. This ms we are placing the value, it is extra written, not to be written here. re minus d whole square. Instead of this ms, we are writing this re minus d the whole cube upon re cube into me. Okay, instead of ms, we are writing this value which is explained here. Okay, that ms is extra, this ms should not be there. Okay, this ms is not there. Okay, instead of this ms, we are placing the value, that is this value re minus d the whole cube upon re cube into me. Okay, now just rearrangement, try to understand. Rearrangement is there. See, re minus d the whole square, and this 2 times will be cut. So now you will have g m me, g m and me, okay, or g m into this bracket re minus d. So this bracket upon re cube. So now you are having this equation, okay, g m into re minus d upon re cube. Okay, now see, just we know that acceleration due to gravity, that is g of d, that is gravitational acceleration at depth d, is equal to force at depth d upon mass, because F is equal to mg. Okay, so gravitational acceleration at depth d is equal to force at depth d upon mass. So just we are placing this value of force at depth d. That value I have written, it is here. Okay, gmem into re minus d upon re cube, okay, divided by this m. Now just rearrangement, gme upon re square, as you know, it is gravitational acceleration on the surface of the earth, and remaining are written here re minus d upon re. So instead of this gme upon re square, we just write this small g, that is gravitational acceleration on the surface of the earth. This is as it is taken, okay, and then separated in the division, or we can say g, then re upon re minus d upon re. So this will become 1. So 1 minus d upon re, that will be the final simplification of that bracket, and gravitational acceleration at depth can be equal to gravitational acceleration on the surface of the earth into 1 minus d upon re. Thus, as we go down below the earth's surface, the acceleration due to gravity decreases by a factor 1 minus d upon re, and if you are on the center of the earth, then this depth will be equal to radius of the earth. So it becomes re upon re, and that becomes 1. So 1 minus 1 will become 0. So gravitational acceleration on the center of the earth becomes 0. So acceleration due to earth's gravity g is maximum on the surface and decreasing okay, whether you go up or down. Okay, so when you are at the center to surface it increases, surface to center it decreases. Okay, and at the center it is 0. Okay, and if you are going away from the center, then also the gravitational acceleration decreases. So either you go below the surface of the earth or you go away from the surface of the earth, the gravitational acceleration always decreases. Okay, on the surface it is maximum. Okay, thank you very much. Watch this 2-3 times. Okay, and write necessary things in your notebook. Okay, thank you.